In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed YouTube Shorts on Shopify. By the end, you'll have a vertical YouTube short playing right on one of your Shopify pages using Shopify's built-in editor. All you need is access to your Shopify admin and the embed code from your YouTube short. First, head to shopify.com and sign into your store's admin. Once you're in the dashboard, look to the left-hand sidebar and open Online Store. This is where you manage your storefront content and theme-related items. Under Online Store, choose Pages. Pages is the area for static content like About, FAQs, or any custom page where you want your short to appear. From the list, select the page where you want to place the video. This opens the page editor with a rich text toolbar at the top. In that toolbar, click Insert Video. Depending on your theme and editor version, this button may look like a small video or media icon, but it will be labeled clearly. A dialog will pop up asking for an embed code. This box expects the video's embed snippet, which is a small piece of HTML that tells Shopify where to load the video from and how to display it. If you already have the code, great, paste it in. If you don't, here's a quick tip on YouTube. Open your short, use the share option, then choose embed to copy the iframe code. The code typically starts with iframe and includes the youtube.com domain. For shorts, the default embed works well out of the box and preserves the vertical aspect ratio, so you usually don't need to change anything. After you paste the embed snippet into the dialog, you'll often see a small preview or a placeholder confirming it was accepted. If you don't see a preview, that's okay. Shopify will still place the video in your content area. Now click Insert Video in the dialog to place it on the page. You should see a video block appear in the editor body. You can add text above or below it to provide context, like a title, a short description, or a call to action. That's the full process. Open your Shopify admin, go to Online Store, open Pages, choose the page you want, click Insert Video, paste the YouTube Shorts embed code into the box, and confirm by clicking Insert Video. When customers visit that page, your short will load directly from YouTube and play within your site. If you want to adjust spacing or alignment, you can do that in the editor around the video block. And that's all you need to embed a YouTube short on Shopify.